Hi, this is Randy with Mystery Madness Collectibles. I would say here opening up mystery mystery Funko Pops and 2 raffles and Funko that I ordered, but I just did this whole video and realized I did not have the sound on. So, yep, this is a repeat. But before we get back opening up all this stuff, yeah, so some of my sodas are going to be they were sealed, but they're unsealed now. But before we get into those, please watch this and we'll be right back. And we're back. Alright. Yeah. Classic rookie mistake. Turn the camera on, didn't turn on my microphone. Yeah. We got a damaged Pop King Paw box. A waffle that I won from Chris Pops. Another waffle I won from Cisco Yeah Boy. And 2 Funko Shop sodas, Steamboat Willie, and some pops that I ordered. So I guess we'll reopen. Oh yeah, to prove I opened it already, I forgot to put that back in the box. It says, "Thank you for your participation in our soda race." That's right, they do races. So where the others do like bingo, here's their business card. Please follow them. Oh, let's try to do this right. How many times can I do it wrong? Maybe that's the title of the video. Cisco Yeah Boy, follow him on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. And there's their sticker, which I do not have. That's a pretty cool sticker. And I choose Chucky for my win. And it's just common. 1 out of 12,500. But it's a cool pop. And then, now here's the sad part. This is how he packages Kids Pop in a bag, rolls them up. And that's actually not bad. And it's the Alice Black Light. I've already got Mad Hatter, Queen of Hearts. I need Cheshire Cat, and I need this. All of them or those two are commons, and this one was a common. One out of 8,400. But it's a black light, so have to have it. That's a cool pop still. I think the black light's blue. And of course I'm going to try to get the chases on them. Now here's why I'm saying that. Because Funko Pop box that I ordered, because I ordered these to get these two with free shipping, are damaged. Every one of them. The Nightmare on Elm Street, still cool pop, had to have it, or is dinged right here. Don't know if you can see it, but it's got a notch there. Gizmo with sunglasses, because I got the other one, but his ear has popped out of the side. I mean, come on. The Alice in Wonderland, she's got a ding right there in the corner. Don't know if you can see it. But yeah. Way to go, Funko Pop. Or Funko. So yeah. But I got these for the free shipping on these. And yeah, they were sealed, but rookie me. And this is the common. Which is pretty cool. And I actually hit the chase, which is 1 out of 2,500, which is pretty cool. And the only difference is the chase, he's whistling. And the common, he's not. He's just smiling. But they're still pretty cool sodas. I like the black and white look on them. I better make sure I put everything back the way it was, because the way my luck is going today, I'll open it back up and it'll be a common, and I'll have 2 commons. Yeah, that's just how my day's been. And really no sense me trying to act like they're mysteries, because I already know everything, because I've already been through this video. Hopper with vines. Now mind you, these are damaged box, but this box is actually in really good condition. I don't see anything wrong with it. Then we got 11, also good box. Yeah, good box. So Then we got the Five Nights at Freddy, the Nightmare Cupcake. Only at Target. Now this box is pretty damaged. This whole top right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it is creased in. The bottom's creased in, but still be a cool pop out of box. So then I got Toy Story, Army Man. Box was in good condition. And then I got Prince. That has a little ding here and one up front, but still pretty cool. It's purple, so it's my favorite color. So then we got Star Wars, Darth Vader. Pretty cool one. It's the window scuffed and the bottom's got a big crease right there. I don't know if you can see it down at the bottom there. But I was determined to get a Pop King Paul box because I have yet to get one. And yes, it was a damaged box. And yes, of course, the first time I opened one, I messed the video up with no sound. So, yeah. So, yeah, these are supposed to be brand new. They're about as damaged as the three that I got in this Pop King Paul. But anyway, this one was $100 shipped. The value came at $90. I've had it for a little bit, so of course the price will go up and down. And of course I won't get that price because 3 of these are damaged, but 3 of them isn't. So that's pretty not too bad. But thank you all for sticking in this video. Hopefully it's not going to be too long. I opened up quite a bit, but I opened it up the first time with no sound at all. So I had to open it all up again. But mad love to all the ones who have subscribed. Hopefully new ones will come. And mad love your all way too for the new ones that'll subscribe. Please hit the like button. Smash the subscribe button. Hit the notification button. And please comment down below. I'm not a very talkative person, but you'll at least get a like to show that I've seen your comments, and I'll do my best to comment back. But you all have a good day or a good night, depends on when you're watching the video. Thank you.